Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal in Egypt. First, let's get your account set up. Head over to the PayPal website or grab the app. You'll need to enter your email, create a strong password, and fill in some basic personal information. Don't forget to verify your phone number and email address. This is a crucial step to ensure your account is secure and ready for transactions. It's a straightforward process, taking just a few minutes to complete. Once your account is active, the next vital step is linking your financial instruments. Go to the Wallet section. Here, you can easily add your Egyptian debit or credit card by inputting the card number, expiration date, and the 3-digit security code. For withdrawals, linking your local bank account is essential. PayPal will send 1 or 2 small deposits to verify your account, which you'll confirm within the platform. This ensures a secure connection for all your transactions. Now, let's talk about moving money. To send funds, simply click Send and Request, then enter the recipient's email or phone number. Input the amount and choose your currency, then review everything carefully before hitting Send. Receiving money is even simpler. It automatically appears in your account when someone sends it to your PayPal-registered email. Remember, there might be a small fee for certain transactions, often around 2 to 4%, so always check the details before confirming. Finally, withdrawing your funds is straightforward. From your PayPal balance, select Transfer Money and choose your linked Egyptian bank account. Expect the transfer to take approximately 3 to 5 business days to complete. For best practices, always use a strong, unique password and enable 2-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. Regularly check your transaction history to spot any unusual activity. Following these steps will help ensure a smooth and secure PayPal experience in Egypt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.